In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion Calendar to Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click in Notion, what to expect during the connection process, and a few tips to make everything go smoothly. First, open the Notion website in your browser and sign into the workspace where you want this connection to live. It's best to do this on desktop so you can see all the settings clearly. Once you're in, look for your profile menu and open Settings. This is where Notion keeps all the controls for your workspace and integrations. Inside Settings, find the Connections section. This area lets you manage any tools that link into Notion. Click Connections, then choose Explore on Notion AI Connectors. This will open a gallery of official connectors that Notion supports, including the one we're looking for. Here, select Google Calendar. You'll see an option with a plus icon that adds the connector to your workspace. Click the plus icon. At this point, Notion will let you know that connecting Google Calendar requires an upgrade. This is normal. Google Calendar integration is a premium feature. Follow the on-screen steps to upgrade your plan. If you're part of a team workspace, make sure you have permission to upgrade or coordinate with the person who manages billing. Once your plan is upgraded, return to the Google Calendar connector and continue. Notion will guide you through the connection prompts. Typically, you'll be asked to choose or sign into your Google account and grant permission so Notion can access your calendars. Read the permissions, confirm them, and complete the prompts. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them temporarily so the Google authorization window can appear. When the connection succeeds, you'll see Google Calendar listed under your connections in Notion, indicating it's ready to use. A quick tip, make sure you're connecting the correct Google account, especially if you have both personal and work calendars. If you don't see the connector after upgrading, refresh the page or try another browser. Also, confirm you're in the right Notion workspace before connecting. That's it. You've opened Notion, gone into Settings, navigated to Connections, explored the Notion AI connectors, selected Google Calendar, clicked the plus icon, upgraded your plan, and followed the prompts to finish the connection. With the setup complete, your Notion workspace is now ready to work with Google Calendar as intended. Thanks for watching and enjoy the smoother scheduling experience.